Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I've got a 1/2 inch MDF board here and I'm going to show you how I prime them with just gesso. And I'm just going to do a very thin coat because I don't want many streaks. So anyways, if you want to learn how to make your own gesso, I will provide a link to that recipe and video in the description box. Okay, we'll let this dry and we'll come back for second coat. Hi guys, we are ready for the second coat. So I'm just going to go the opposite direction that I did before now. And then this is ready for me to do a painting. Thin coats is what you want. Okay, that's it. That's how you apply gesso. I've got some King Art metallic acrylic and some Amsterdam. This is vermilion. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to like this or not. It's kind of bright. So we'll see what happens. And I've got some white in case I want to mix some in. And I've got some slow dry blending mediums. Hi guys, I've got a bunch of colors mixed together. They're all custom colors, but these are the colors that I used. I have metallic white from Artist Loft, Symmetron, lamp black, crimson, cadmium orange, ultramarine blue, permanent violet, phthalo blue, Liquitex Basics cadmium yellow light hue, Artist Loft iridescent medium. I only added this to like 4 colors. Golden's quinacridone magenta. Our Amsterdam permanent red violet and carmine. I've got 3 water balloons, different sizes. Don't know how it's going to work. I'm using Deco Art pouring medium. It's about a 4:1 ratio of Deco Art to 1 part paint. So I think the first one I want to do is going to be a medium size. So I'll grab my medium balloon. It's kind of a funky balloon. They were from the dollar store. And it's got like this little egg-shaped thingy. And I can't get it to flatten. So, a cat hair. Cat hair everywhere. These are kind of thin. I don't know if they need to be thicker. But this is just the way they mixed up. There's no water in this. I did have to add water to my white paint because it was really thick. I'm making circles, guys. Look at my painting. Wow. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a lot of fun. Oh, yes. Ah. I love it. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of that one. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll decide if I want to add any more. so far I like it. There's just a few spots that I'm not keen on. So I'm going to go wash out my rag, and I'll come back when I've got it dry enough that I can fix my spots. I love it. Ah! I'm going to redip this one because I want to see some lines. There, that's good. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm done, guys. Actually, look at my hands. Actually, I intend this to hang vertical. So this will be the bottom left corner, and that'll be the top right corner. Oh. Should I put a dot? Should I put a dot right there? No. I'm leaving it. Look at the variation of colors. I love this piece. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put resin on it. And I still got lacing, you guys. This is just, how did I do that? I used Deco Art, and Deco Art does not, I've never gotten lacing. Stop that. Why is that doing that? I've never gotten lacing before using Deco Art pouring media. Right there. See that little yellow bumblebee? I like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I admit I added let's see if I can get it. I don't know if I'm tall enough that I can hold my camera up. The lines were too symmetrical, so I added some weight right here and brought it up. And yellow was standing out a little too much, so I put a balloon dip there and a balloon dip there. I love it. Now that I got that changed, I really love it. So, I'm done. Thanks for visiting me today. I really appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will subscribe and like and make a comment on it. And let me know what you think, what you'd like to see, if you want to see more of this. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.